Hi all, my name is Sridevi and welcome to my another video on triangles. This is from exercise 15A, Selena Conscience Mathematics book, class 7, and this is for ICSE syllabus. I had solved question 1 to 9 in my previous video, so I'll be solving question from question 10 onwards. So let's quickly move on to question 10. One angle of a triangle is 60 degrees. The other two angles are in the ratio of 5:7. Find the other two angles. The sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That all of you know. Angle B is as to angle C is equal to 5x is as to 7x. Angle A, they have given it as 60 degrees. Value of x can be obtained as 5x plus 7x plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. 12x plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. That is 12x is equal to 120 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 120 by 12, that is equal to 10 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 10, that is equal to 50 degrees. Angle C is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 10, that's equal to 70 degrees. Therefore, angle B and C are 50 degrees and 70 degrees respectively. Question 11. One angle of a triangle is 61 degrees and the other two angles are in the ratio 1 by 2 and is as to 1 by 3. Find their angles. In triangle ABC, let angle A is equal to 61 degrees and sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle B is as to angle C is equal to 1 by 2x is as to 1 by 3x. Therefore, value of x can be obtained as 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3x plus 61 is equal to 180 degrees. That is 3 by 2x plus 4 by 3x is equal to 180 minus 61. Now taking LCM, you get 17x by 6 is equal to 119. X is equal to 6 by 17 into 119, that is equal to 42 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 1.5x degrees, that is equal to 3 by 2x, that is equal to 3 by 2 into 42, that is angle B is equal to 3 into 21, that is equal to 68 degrees. Angle C is equal to 1 by 3x degrees, that's equal to 4 by 3x, that's equal to 4 by 3 into 42, that is angle C is equal to 4 into 14, that's equal to 56. Therefore, angle B and angle C are 63 degrees and 56 degrees respectively. I'm just giving in a few seconds, pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand my calculation. Let's move on to question number 12. Find the unknown marked angles in the given figures. First one, please look at the figure properly. Therefore, by exterior angle property in the figure, 110 degrees is equal to 30 degrees plus x. Therefore, x is equal to 110 minus 30 degrees, that is equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 80 degrees. Just pausing for a few seconds. Next one, just see the figure. Again here, by exterior angle property, 120 degrees is equal to y plus 60 degrees. Y is equal to 120 degrees minus 60 degrees. Y is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, angle y is equal to 60 degrees. Let's move on to the third one. Please look at the sum properly. Again, this is by exterior angle property. 122 degrees is equal to k plus 35 degrees. That is k is equal to 122 minus 35 degrees. That is k is equal to 87 degrees. Let's move on to the next one. Again here, by exterior angle property, 135 degrees is equal to a plus 73 degrees. A is equal to 135 minus 73. Therefore, A is equal to 62 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 62 degrees. Just pausing in for a few seconds. Moving on to the fifth one. Look at the figure here. The sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. By exterior angle property, 125 degrees is equal to angle A plus C, right? Yes, and 140 degrees is equal to angle A plus B. Add equation 1 and 2. A plus B plus C is equal to 265 degrees. A plus 180 degrees is equal to 265. A is equal to 265 minus 180 degrees, that is equal to 85 degrees. Therefore, the value of B is 140 is equal to A plus B. 140 is equal to 85 plus B. B is equal to 140 minus 85, that is equal to 55 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 55 degrees. The value of C is 125 degrees is equal to A plus C. 125 degrees is equal to 85 plus C. C is equal to 125 minus 85, that's equal to 40 degrees. Therefore, angle C is equal to 40 degrees. Therefore, the value of A, B and C is 85, 55 and 40 degrees respectively. Just check on this sum again in case you don't understand. It's using the property of exterior angles, we find out the value of A, B and C. Let's move on to the next one. By linear pair is 180 degrees. 112 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 degrees minus 112, that's equal to 68 degrees. By exterior angle property, 112 is equal to y plus 63, that is 112 minus 63 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 49 degrees. Therefore, the value of x and y is 68 degrees and 49 degrees respectively. Moving on to the next sum in 12th question. Again here it's pretty simple. By exterior angle property, 120 degrees is equal to A plus A. I have taken it as K here, so let me change it. It is A and A. So 120 degrees is equal to 2A. Therefore 60 is equal to A. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Moving on to the last sum, by exterior angle property, B plus B is equal to 105 degrees, 2B is equal to 105 degrees, B is equal to 105 by 2, that's equal to 52.5 degrees. Now by linear pair, A plus 105 is equal to 180 degrees, therefore A is equal to 180 degrees minus 105, that's equal to 75 degrees. Therefore the value of A is 75 degrees and value of B is 52.5 degrees respectively. Thank you kids for watching my video. In case you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye until we see in the next video. Take care. Good luck. Bye bye.